In this video we will learn some of the powerful effective search engine optimization tactics. Before we begin, if you find this video helpful, click on the subscribe button below this video to get notification on my next video. Number 1 is keyword research, which can either be long tail keywords or short keywords. As important as quality content is, the right keywords can bring your content from bottom to top search results. Right keywords gives you strong online presence, and your site will generate more sales being in top search results. It is also important to use different keyword search tools like Moz, Google Analytics, etc. to explore the most trending keywords. Number 2 is backlinks. The good news is, there is no limit for the use of backlinks. The higher the rate of links used, the better your site rank in the search engine. Backlinks are good ways to tell Google about the quality and standard of your contents. Backlinks aid sharing of content from one website to another, and allow Google to rank your site in the top search engine result pages. Number 3 is URL effectiveness. Keep your URL short, and make sure it reflects the content. It is advisable to use between 3 to 7 words in your URL to make it effective. Long URL looks scamming, and people don't have that time to start guessing from the URL what your content is all about. Number 4 optimize your web pages. Optimizing your web pages from time to time is crucial because you need to stay up to date with the latest trends to beat your competitors. You need to check whether you need to focus on keywords or you need more organic traffic. Optimization helps you to improve the performance of your website, and you get to know what type of audience you need to target. Number 5 video content. Video content can be demanding, but from my research I discovered that users prefer to watch short videos that is related to content trends in the top search results. For good results, focus on the making of short video content that will leave a positive impact on the audience, making them to come back for more. Number 6 ask yourself questions like, am I creative and convincing enough to grab my viewers' attention? How can I tackle the updates to rank high in the search engine results? And with that we have finally reached the end of this video. And if you find that helpful, remember to smash the like button and click on the subscribe button below for more cutting-edge video like this one.